Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab, and I had a question about how to pen and crimp our sealed relay. So I wanted to go over that real quick. Here's the pens that they have. Basically, they're just nice little ramp for the spade, and then you'll see it's got like a locking tab on the back, and it's got this little pokey guy that sticks up right here. And that's important. So as that pen sits, if we look down the inside of our block, what we're gonna see is it's gonna look like this on the inside, and that little divot or pin or whatever you wanna call it, and that locking tab are gonna line up with that. So basically, you're gonna run your wire through all this guy. So run through the sill that's on the back, and yeah, run it to wherever you want to stick it in at. Just stick it right here. And then how I have it arranged is just like this. That pin, that little divot is going to be crimped and pulled through. So put this guy on. The crimpers that work really good with this are these guys right here. These are Packard, I think they're called Packard 56 or 59, something like that, but that's the number for them. And these guys, I don't know where I picked these up at, but since this is at Iowa's, I'm sure I can find it, put it on the website. These guys, both these guys work really well. We'll use these guys real quick. So I'm going to use the two medium size, the 18 and 14. I'm going to use that to crimp the main part of the wire. And then I'm going to use the 2420 to do the little ring around the insulation. Just stick that guy on there like that. So it goes in there like that. Press down, give it a good crimp. All right, and then I'm going to give that guy a pinch. Put it over in this slot right here. Give it a go. And there it is. So we're all crimped down, nice and neat. See our locking tab. And if you look here, you should see that little divot that's in there. If I pull this away, it would probably show even better. But there's that little divot. The locking tab and the divot line up like this here. And then as I pull, you'll hear it go click. Just like that. It doesn't take a lot. So you don't have to yank on it too hard or whatever. And that's basically it. So that guy is, you just run your other wires. I'm not going to tell you how to wire this because there's a million videos on that. But that's how you do it. It just sits in there just like that. And to deepen it, you just stick this D-pen guy. You'll just kind of come out like this, stick it in there, and then push the locking tab down, and it'll just pop out forward. It'll be a little easier if you pull down the silicone guys just so you have a little grip. But this guy, yep, just stick it up in here. And I'll just kind of feel around for it, and then it'll just pop, and you can just push it right out, just like that. Okay,